What's up everyone? Welcome to my vlog again. So we are here at Niagara Falls. It's a spontaneous trip with my Hong Kong friends. Say hi. Yeah, we're just gonna go around Niagara Falls. See you guys. Wow, you guys finally made it.
Yeah.
You guys didn't go to US? Almost. Let's go. Okay, Aaron. Okay, Oppa, Oppa. You guys excited?
Yep.
There's nothing like this in Hong Kong, right? I'm just
No.
kidding. We wanted to wait for the sunset, but it's cloudy outside, so we're just gonna go now, and then gonna go to the outlet.
Maybe next time.
Next
time.
Anna, what do you think?
So fast.
Yeah, too fast.
So you better take pictures fast.
Okay.
Rachel,
Huh?
show me what you bought.
Nothing. I bought nothing. I bought
Show
nothing.
it.
No, nothing.
Honestly,
Honestly, nothing.
why don't you want to show it?
Because there's nothing to show. It's just a shirt.
Hi. Hey guys, we just came back home from a spontaneous trip from Niagara and the outlet, and I got these shoes and I've been wanting to open them for a while. I got them 2 days ago, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and show you guys what I got. I've been wanting these for so long. And I'm just so excited. So I got the Dr. Materns collaborated with a cold wall ACW. I got the gray colorway. And what I like about these ones is that you can dress it up or you can wear them casually, and I know they'll take a while for me to break them in because I know the 1461s are like, you know, the Dr. Martens are really hard to break in. And I also got Bethany the black colorway with the yellow stitching, the classic stitching for the Dr. Martens, and the ACW detail on the side, logo. So yeah, I'm just so excited to wear them and style them in different ways, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And yeah, that's it for today, and thank you guys so much for watching.